In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send money to France using RemitBee. So to get started, hit the link in the description of this video. It will take you to RemitBee's website. Once you're there, select sign up, complete your email address and provide a password. Then select sign up. I already have an account, so I am going to log in. Once you're in, select send money, add new recipient, search for France, then select continue. The only receiving method available is bank deposit, so select continue. Enter the recipient name, phone number, email address, and IBAN number. Once you enter the IBAN number, select continue. Enter the amount that you want to send, then select continue. Select your purpose of your transfer, then select continue. Select your payment method. I am going to go with e-transfer. Now whenever you are sending the e-transfer, ensure the message to the recipient, you provide your email address that you use to sign up with RemitBee. Then select continue. Then here you're going to hit confirm and send. If you used e-transfer, then you're going to log into your bank and send the money to RemitBee so they can deliver it to the recipient for you. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.